My, oh my, oh my. Today, you guys, I made these delicious rib tips in my oven. Yes, ma'am. They look like they have been cooked on the grill. If you guys would like to follow along as I cook these rib tips so that you too can make some delicious tasting, scrumptious rib tips, then this is the video for you. Let's get into this video. So I have here 2 packs of rib tips that I got from Walmart, you guys. And I'm about to get ready to season these bad boys up. And I am going to show you guys how I am going to cook them. Okay, everyone. So the first thing you do is you go to your oven, you hit bake, and you're going to preheat your oven to 275. Okay, now while your oven is preheating to 275, we're gonna season up our ribs, okay? So I have my ribs in a dish where I can season them up. The first thing I'm going to do is, you can use whatever type of oil you have. You have olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. Spray your ribs on all sides. If you're using regular oil, you're just gonna rub the oil in, okay? Just lightly, not heavily. Okay, everyone, so I'm just using some regular seasonings that I have in my cabinet. We're gonna use some paprika, some accent, some celery salt, some onion powder, some liquid smoke, okay? Some ground black pepper, some garlic powder. Use some rib rub. I got 2 kinds of rib rub. I have this one, and then I have the Grill Mates rib rub back here. Okay, I have me some apple cider vinegar, some Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory, brown sugar, some apple juice. Also, I will be using brown sugar and butter as well. But let's get into seasoning our ribs, okay? So when you get ready to season your ribs, I know a lot of people think that you just rub everything in. You don't. You actually just press it in, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is now, after you have placed your seasoning, your liquid smoke, and your apple cider vinegar, you are going to press the seasoning into your ribs. Do not rub the seasoning into your ribs. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, so I have them all seasoned up, as you can see here. Okay, and I have them in a pan laying on a wire rack. This is key, lay them on a wire rack, okay? We're gonna bake them at 275. I'm gonna put these in the oven, and we're gonna bake these for about 2.5 to 3 hours, but for right now, we're gonna put them in for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and then I'll be back to check on them. Now, after cooking your ribs for 2.5 to 3 hours, double line or triple line foil. So this means you will get out 3 pieces of foil to lay your ribs on. Here is where you will use your brown sugar, butter, and honey. You lay the honey down first. I forgot to do that, you guys. Then put your brown sugar on top of the honey, and then place your butter on top of your brown sugar. Then you will place your ribs, or if you have a whole slab, you will place a whole slab of ribs on top of this mixture. Now I got this technique with the brown sugar, the butter, and the honey from Mr. Make It Happen. If you have not subscribed to his channel, please do so. That's Mr. Make It Happen. You will also put brown sugar and butter and honey on top of your ribs as well. Now here I am folding the ribs with the double wrap aluminum foil. I would say triple wrap because I used 3. And reason why we are folding it in this manner is we are going to cover up the entire ribs, but we have to pour a liquid in here. Today I'm using apple juice. You can use apple juice, pineapple juice, chicken broth, beef broth. You can even use a beer. I love apple juice and I love the flavor that it gives to ribs. Okay, you guys, so we have our ribs all wrapped, double wrapped, triple wrapped, if you want to know the truth. And I'm going to place these back in the oven for another 2 hours. 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes. And then we'll be back to rub that barbecue sauce on. Now it's time to place your ribs back on your wire rack. When it gets down to the last 15 minutes of cooking, go ahead and get your favorite barbecue sauce. Make sure you have heated it up on the stove. Rub that barbecue sauce on those ribs on both sides, especially in the meaty part. Place those ribs back on that wire rack. Place them back in the oven for 15 minutes. And your ribs will be done. Okay, everyone, so here are my ribs. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make you some delicious oven baked rib tips. You can have this any day of the week, anytime you're craving ribs. I know that this is a time-consuming process, but it is well worth it. Your family and friends or your loved ones or whoever you're cooking for will enjoy these ribs. Please stay tuned to my channel, Cooking with TK, Oven Baked Ribs. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share, like, comment. Peace. Have a great day. See you in the next video.